What's happening, dog? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bria Nashae, or just Bria, and that's B-R-I to the A. Hey, 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 hold on. Do this cool little smoky eye right here. Show you how I do this cool little eye for the nighttime. And I gave you a nice little dark lip. If you guys want to see this look, stay tuned. And since you're here, since you're already here, you might as well subscribe. You can just see this face all the time. That's it. You can just see this face all the time. All the time. So yeah, if you want to see this look and more looks coming, make sure you stay tuned.
So in my Yes Please palette, I'm going to take the color Big Cocktails, and I'm going to put that as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take the color Spoiled and put that right underneath that transition shade. Now to darken up that crease area, we're going to use the color French Kiss, and we're going to put that right in the crease. I'm going to use the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner, and I'm just using this as a base to make sure that my smoky eye is, you know, smoky and dark. Now I'm going to take this NYX black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put that right on top of the gel liner. Just blend everything back out. I'm going to go back in with Spoiled and Big Cocktail, and I'm just blending it all out. And for my primer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Primer. And what I'm doing here is I'm actually just covering all of the dark areas. And I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Espresso. And a dance break, always. And to set that concealer, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I do this under my makeup, it just works. Now I'm going to do a nice little wing liner. As you can tell, I was really feeling black. Black nails, black hair, shirt, everything black. Just putting on my mascara. And now I am setting my eyebrows with the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. And for my foundation, I'm using the Loreal Truematch in C8. This foundation I live by. Can't go wrong. And I'm just using my Real Techniques beauty sponge. For my highlight, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. And I'm just blending, you know, blending my life away. And for my contour, I'm actually going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match in the color C9. Blending out using my Real Techniques sculpting face brush. right here, here, I'm actually just going back in with my foundation, and I'm just making my contour just, you know, super sharp. Set my face with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder in all the areas that I highlighted. And I'm going to go with my NYX Duo contour in the color Wine and Dine. And now I'm just setting under my contour. I'm just putting some eyeliner, which is my Maybelline Define-A-Line. Also going in with the NYX black eyeshadow under my eye. Now y'all, this Fix Plus Life. And for my highlight, I'm using the MAC Skin Dimension Skin Finish in Oh Darling. And I'm just going to spray my face one more time. And this is in the fragrance Coconut, and it just screams melanin. It just screams. I'm going to go in with my Colourpop lip gloss in the color Finders Keepers. And there we kind of have it a little bit. I was feeling myself in my natural hair. Check me out. Yeah, wasn't really feeling the lip gloss, so I went in with Colourpop's Notion liquid lipstick. And here we have it. I'm here now for real, for real. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Peace out.